Loan marketplace GotLoans.com offers to match you up with a lender if you need quick funds for an emergency or other immediate expense. You may not need good credit to qualify. But be careful. Rates for these personal loans aren't disclosed upfront and may be high. GotLoans.com is an online marketplace for loans where a group of lenders work together. The site advertises itself as a way for people with all types of credit to find quick cash for emergencies. Borrowers with bad credit may be able to get fast cash from lenders in the GotLoans.com network, but the website doesn't say how much these loans cost. Since you won't know the loan terms until after you're approved, it's important to look over the loan agreement and compare it to other options before borrowing from a GotLoans.com lender. What you should know about a personal loan from GotLoans.com. GotLoans.com is not a direct lender. It is a market for loans. GotLoans.com doesn't issue or service loans. To find a lender through this online marketplace for personal loans, you'll need to fill out an online form. When you send in the form at GotLoans.com, you give the company and loan providers permission to check your credit. GotLoans.com doesn't say for sure if this credit check is a hard inquiry or a soft inquiry, but it's probably a hard inquiry, which temporarily hurts your credit. Lenders of the network may decide to make you an offer after going over your information. Eligibility requirements may be flexible. Lenders in the GotLoans.com network may approve you for a loan even with bad credit, but you may need to meet additional eligibility requirements including the following. Be employed for at least 90 days. Earn at least $1,000 a month after taxes. Be a U.S. citizen or permanent resident. If you don't have a job, another source of income, such as Social Security, may count. Interest rates and loan terms on GotLoans.com are unclear. Lenders that partner with GotLoans.com may offer loans ranging from $100 to $5,000, but amounts can vary based on where you live. GotLoans.com doesn't share information on the APRs, origination fees, or repayment terms offered by lenders on the site, making it hard to shop for loans without first submitting your information and authorizing what's likely a hard credit check. Applicants may be referred to tribal lenders. Another thing to know about the GotLoans.com marketplace is that you may be referred to tribal lenders. Tribal lenders aren't necessarily required to follow the same rules as state-licensed lenders, such as adhering to state interest rate caps. Before signing an agreement with a lender through the site, it's important to pay close attention to the fine print and make sure you understand all the loan terms and conditions. A closer look at GotLoans.com personal loans. Comparing rate ranges and payment options across several lender marketplaces can help you find a loan that best fits your needs. But window shopping is harder with GotLoans.com, since you can't gauge the rates or repayment terms offered without authorizing a credit check. Here are some other pros and cons of GotLoans.com to consider. Quick funding timeline. You could get approved and receive loan funds on or near same day, within 24 to 48 hours. No fee charged by GotLoans.com. You won't be charged a fee to use the marketplace, but individual loan pricing and fees will vary depending on the lender. Loan extensions, rollover loans, may be possible, depending on the laws of the state you're in. It may be possible to get an extension or rollover of the original loan if you struggle to repay it. Rollovers can cost much more than you anticipate, and not all states allow the practice. Not available in all states. GotLoans.com mentions that loans aren't available in all states, but doesn't list the states where you can borrow. Repayment terms vary. Since this is a loan marketplace, the loan terms available may be different from one lender to the next. Limited contact options. GotLoans.com provides very little contact information on its website. There's an email address provided to unsubscribe from marketing messages and a general building address located in the West Indies, but there's no contact phone number for live support, which may be a red flag for some. Who a GotLoans.com loan is good for. GotLoans.com could be good for borrowers who earn at least $1,000 per month and can't qualify for other personal loans in an emergency. But it's crucial to review the rates and terms that you'll get in the loan agreement before you commit. High monthly payments on a loan could put you in a worse financial situation. If you're in a financial bind, you may also want to consider potentially less expensive options, like borrowing from a family member or friend or applying for a payday alternative loan. PALs are small loans offered by credit unions that could come with lower interest rates than you'd see with a payday loan. How to apply with GotLoans.com. To qualify for a loan through GotLoans.com, you need to have a valid email address and bank account. You must also be 18 years or older and a U.S. citizen or permanent resident. The process of applying for a loan starts with filling out and submitting a form on the gotloans.com website. The form asks for your personal information, your name, phone number, and where you live, and how much you want to borrow. Gotloans.com will then comb its network for lenders that might be willing to work with you. If approved by a lender, you can review terms, rates, and fees directly on the lender's website before you decide whether to accept the offer. Lenders may also ask you to provide additional information, like pay stubs or employment verification. After receiving an offer, it's a good idea to shop around and compare loan rates before signing. You'll want to make sure you're accepting the best possible offer available to you. Gotloans.com Personal Loan Pros. Personal loan amounts up to $5,000. Good credit may not be necessary to qualify for certain loans. Potential to get funds quickly. Gotloans.com Personal Loan Cons. Rates and terms, which vary by lender, aren't listed on the site. Some loans may come from tribal lenders and might not be subject to state-imposed interest rate caps. Loans not available in all states. If this loan app doesn't work for you, kindly let us know through the comments section, and we will provide you with the best alternative. Subscribe to this channel for more finance videos, and like this video for your YouTube algorithm. I will see you in the next one. Peace.